Hello guys, so if you're looking to create websites using Midjourney AI, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply get Midjourney bot into your Discord server. As you can see, I already have that. Now, the next thing that you want is an idea that you want for your website. Now, that can be written or a visual representation. So for example, let's say I want to build a website regarding course in which I'm going to show UX or UI designing or graphic designing or something like that. So firstly what you can do is just simply get an image of a website that you would like to have. Now as you can see, I already have one. So this is the type of website that I'm kind of looking. Now what you can do is just simply drag and drop the image into your general chat or wherever your bot is present. So drag and drop that, then hit enter. Now let's use this particular website as an inspiration for our website. Now for doing that, right click on the image, click on copy link. Now first things first, adjust the settings. So for doing that, / settings, then hit enter. Now firstly what you do is just simply choose Midjourney version 5, then highest quality. Then after that, just simply click on this message over here. Now let's start making the website. So firstly hit / imagine. Now enter the URL that you just copied from the image. Now space. Now describe what you want to have in your website. So this is going to be a course website for designers for UX, UI or graphic designing. So let's write all of that. Now after that, just simply hit enter and now wait for the image to generate. Now as you can see, the image has been made and it took a lot of inspiration from the image that we fed. Now in order to get more better results, what you can do is try adding more information or giving more sample images or taking reference from more better websites. So for doing that, you can just simply go to a website where you can find inspiration for your website, like Dribble over here. So over here you can just simply see what other website looks like. Now let's say for example, if I want this one, so just simply open this on a new tab. Now if you like the design, just simply right click on your image and open image in new tab. Then copy the link over here and go to your Midjourney Discord server. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply enable an option in the Midjourney settings. So for that, / setting. Now click on settings, hit enter. Now over here what you have to do is just simply enable remix mode over here. Now this will allow us to edit images or add more details while we are creating variants of that particular image. So after that, just simply click on dismiss message. Now after that, let's see which image is far more better. Now let's go with the variant 4 over here or the variant 1. Let's go with the variant 1. So just simply click on V1 over here. Now this particular pop-up will appear. So over here what you can do is just simply add your another link right after the previous link. Then hit space and hit submit. Now it should mix both of the images and create something new. So wait for it. Now as you can see, it tried to give us a similar website to that we just added by adding few peoples, as you can see right over here. Now this is not perfect, so let's try again. Now this time we are going to choose a different image or a different prompt. So for getting better prompts, what you can do is just simply go to the Midjourney website and search for websites over here, as you can see right over here. Now the images, just simply click on one and you will get the prompt of that particular image. If you like the website, just simply copy a few prompts from the keyword. Like for example, I will just simply copy and balance triple. Let's copy the entire thing and we are going to change it in Midjourney. So copy that. So firstly what you do is just simply hit /, then imagine, then enter your prompts. Now enter the website URL, which is this one. So copy that and paste it right over here. Then hit space, then a comma. Now edit the prompt over here. Now as you can see, I've changed a few things. So let's add more few things. And in the end, just simply hit enter. Now as you can see, it gave us a pretty good result over here. Now choose a variant over here and re-edit that. So I'm going to choose the third one over here. So click on V3. Now over here I'm going to change few things, like I'm going to remove the product page over here. So you can just simply edit the prompt as you may like according to your need. So after doing all of that, just simply hit submit and check for the new variant. Now as you can see, it gave us few variants over here. So all you have to do is just simply click on open in browser and use that variant as an inspiration to create your own website. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.